Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Thursday the 21st of April 2022. Looking across crypto markets today, we're seeing Bitcoin actually moving to the upside, whereas everything else seems to just be ticking slightly lower. Quite an interesting divergence there. It's usually been the other way around in recent times. But as you can see, Ethereum just struggling to really make any ground to the upside. Every time that we've tried to spike higher and tried to rally, it has been sold off over the past week or so. And yesterday's daily bar, you can see quite a lot of indecision in there. Very flat open and close. Typical looking doji bar, okay, not entirely flat as you might expect a doji, but pretty flat. And so far today as well, so you're seeing a lot of consolidation intraday over the past couple of days. Which way do we break? What we can do is look for basically a breakout of these most recent highs on a daily time frame. And also of the 3,000 handle, so a daily close below. I'm talking a strong daily close below 3 or a daily close above 31.90. That's going to then give us the next direction for the short to medium term for a move then lower to retest the correction lows at 2,500 or higher through 34 and into 36. Interesting, yesterday wasn't really able to get going. Ethereum, Bitcoin, a little bit different, but certainly Ethereum, despite the move up in US equities, so US tech stocks did do quite well, but Ethereum certainly didn't follow suit. But Bitcoin did use some of the tailwinds from that and ran into its 50-day moving average, and now a bit of resistance being faced over the past 24 hours of trading. You can see the high of the day yesterday rejecting off the 50. So far today we've made an attempt, and again just moving back lower. 42,000 is where we're currently at. We've got overhead resistance obviously at first at the 50, but then we'll make our way through here, and then we'd expect a bit of resistance firstly at 43,500 I should say, and then above that 45,465. Let's take a look at Litecoin, which is trading at 109.95. We are in the green today on Litecoin, albeit quite a bit of range trading that we're seeing on this market at the moment. Quite choppy, as you can see. Yesterday's trading range very thin. Big gap down this morning. Not too sure what's causing these gaps, but you've seen some pretty significant gaps over the past few trading days on Litecoin. Back to that 105 handle, and again using enough support at the 105 to bounce higher, but again finishing in the green. Nothing really else to add there. Ripple to wrap up the brief for today, because I've got no other news to share with you in the crypto space for now. It's pretty quiet. We can see Ripple just slightly moving lower in below the 75 cents round number handle there, and if we continue to track lower, that short-term trend line is going to give way, and we could see the 70 cents handle pretty soon, and even the 0.6845 technical handle just below that. We can see we've faced resistance so far this week and over the weekend at 78 cents, so that remains the upside battle if we can break back above the 75 cents. That's it from my end for the crypto brief for today. Hope everyone's doing well, stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.